Here's a program which does not have an icon. Those programs have their own icons, but this does not have it. So right click on it. There's the program itself. Right click on that one. Properties. There's the blank icon, that white one. Open file location. The program is there, so that the soft path is okay. This one, the drive soft. So copy that one. Change icon. Okay. Now specify the icon. Delete the old path. Paste in the new path. Okay. Browse. There's an icon file. We could use that one. Sort by type. Or let's try the executable itself. Open. And inside the executable we have an icon. Okay. Now it's blank, and after closing it, the icon appears. So that's a method of updating the icon here on your taskbar in Windows 10.